Hey guys, look what I've got under my Christmas tree, and it's not even Christmas yet. Yeah, unboxing the package from AliExpress. I hope there will be some interesting stuff here, but let's check it out. As usual, all the links and coupon codes are in the description down below, so let's go! My trusty knife, very good, actually also from AliExpress. I have so many stuff from AliExpress. I was afraid to cut it deep, so didn't press at all. Okay, my favorite packages, package with packages. Yay! Okay, let's go with this green one, greenish one. And we have microfiber towels. I have so many of them already, but I decided to get from this brand Luculan, Lakalan, the brand, this one. Yeah, I already have the drying towels from this same brand. Also, I have the tire and wheel brushes from the same brand. I like this brand. Among the AliExpress brands, I think it is a very nice one. What is this? This is basically a microfiber towel for glass. Mostly for the glass because it has this waffle, like waffle towel. It has this, put it down, like waffle-like texture, and it's supposed to be good on glass and surfaces like that. And because my BYD Seal has huge glass roof, but basically all my roof is glass, I need it. 2 packs, 2 each, so I have 4 of them. Okay, not very small one, but I think I know what it is. I think it is another tire brush or wheel brush. I have too many of them. Yes. Oh, same brand actually. Luculan Pro, not just brushes. Okay, very nice rubber handle. Sits very good. Why I'm doing that, sometimes they sit very bad and they just come off. Okay, so just the brush like this for the rims, to clean inside the rims. Next, something small, green. Okay. This is not about the cars, but this is mostly for my channel. It is nothing left. Very nice green branded package. This is basically a SD reader for iPhone. No, basically for Type-C SD reader, not for the iPhone. For any device with a C2C connection. So you can power deliver, 100 watts power delivery, SD 4.0 ultra fast data streaming, dual card reading, so very nice stuff, because I want to edit my videos on an iPad and I don't want to do the Wi-Fi stuff where I just take the video, send it via AirDrop to the iPad, then use it on the iPad. So it's much better for me to just record it on an SD card. I have a lot of them, and put this to the iPad and edit. That's it. Okay, nice. Next, I think it's a bottle, some kind of bottle. Yay, it's a bottle. Yeah, it's a sprayer. Maybe they've tested it in China, and I sprayed a little bit of water in myself. Yeah, so basically sprayer with metal nozzle, and it looked quite interesting for me, so I decided to buy it and test it out. Not very expensive, gonna test it. I think it should be very nice. Next, let's go with this first one. It's a pretty big box. It is a... Okay, it is a trash can. Nice. Very good. And all the... Ooh! It's so cute! Let me show you. Inside, it has 2 small garbage bags. I think rolls of garbage bags. I think there are a lot of them here. Plus the mounting point, because you need to do maybe like this. Okay, and you can put it anywhere you want. Ooh! Okay, there's a slot here for the garbage bag. Yo, that's nice. So for the car, very cutie, small, cute trash can where you can put your trash in the car, because usually I have some small stuff in it. Oh, there are 2 of them actually. 2 mounts. Nice. Because I usually have some small garbage in my car, like wraps from the candies, because usually I eat a lot of throat candies because I speak a lot, or like receipts from parking garages and so on. I think gonna be very useful stuff. Next, something very thin. Another microfiber. No, this is for my BYD Seal. It is a leather on the outside. Trust me, this is outside, and soft suede-like material inside. This is for the charging pads place, and 2 for the cup holders. So basically, it's not just a suede or something. It smells like rubber, so I think it's a rubber. It's not a real leather, but still, for the charging pads and for the cup holders. And the last one, we have the small one, the small cutie here. What is that? Actually, I don't remember already. Oh, yay! Yay! Yes. Finally. Look at that. Just look at that. This is a case for a key. This is the case for the key. I don't know how it works. Okay, you need tap on top. This is the case for the key in the shape of BYD Seal. Guys, it is such a cutie. Look at that. And you can tap on it and it will light up. Tap one more time and it will off. Small tap, it will blink. Yo, it's so cute. How do you change? Is it a battery inside or something? Because I don't see any battery, any stuff. I see some cables inside. I'm gonna rip off. Yeah, it has a battery inside. I'm already ripping it off. It has CR2032. Okay, inside there is a liner for the key, so it won't be scratched, so like that. And underneath is 2032 battery, CR2032. And this one. Sorry, I'm a sucker for these things. Ta-da! Yeah. So I was expecting to see the very powerful jet fan, but it is not here. So maybe in the next package. Subscribe to my channel, not to miss the review of all of this stuff and the review and unboxing of a new very powerful jet fan. See you later.